So sorry for the last time.
No problem.
Eh?
No problem.
I believe that we have an understanding now. And you know that, Nelson, I couldn't want to hear any word from her.
I'm a record.
You know, hope it's not on
No, you do
Zoom
alright.
or something.
You do alright.
They can us well, I mean.
You do alright.
So, man, sorry for the last time. Me and my lovely wife, Ije, I'm apologizing on her. I'm saying sorry on her behalf. Okay. Yes, her saying sorry is not far-fetched. So let me say it on her behalf. Okay. So we are sorry for the last time. Honorable has spoken with us and with her too.
Okay.
So now we have a deeper understanding. So avoid, try to just overlook anything that may come up now.
It's okay.
There are some things that you cannot do without.
You know, we've seen these things. We see it every day. So I understand perfectly well how Mrs. Ijoma feels. And I want to let you know that I'm just doing my job, okay? The last time I think we ended, I had a question. I really need you to answer, Mrs. Ijoma. I don't know. I asked, whose idea was it to get married? Mr. Chijoke was speaking. And
let me answer that, please, so that we don't have issue.
Okay.
It was my idea.
Okay.
It was my idea. It was me that proposed to her. I even begged her on my 2 knees to marry me.
So, which means the first time you spoke to me,
I didn't say yes. I didn't say the entire truth.
Okay. You lied, or you didn't say the entire truth.
Okay.
Martina, did I not tell you that
Matilda, please?
The question, can you find a, what are we doing now?
We are trying to calm the whole situation. And
Madam, what are you doing? What is this thing? What is it called?
Therapy.
Good. So what therapy does not entail being truthful?
Exactly.
So that first one, are we starting afresh? Or
No,
that one, is it still valid?
Ma'am, there's a way this
or if we are starting afresh, let me understand. But if we've started and this is supposed to be the continuation, Chidoke should go back and correct all those lies he said.
I have corrected it. I just said now that it was my idea to get married to her.
Okay.
I proposed to her and she accepted. Baby, oh, because when you were.
The one, if I'm to remember clearly, because I have a very retentive memory, the one he answered before this one was also a lie.
Which I can remember.
Remember what
ma'am, listen. Whatever we are doing here.
The one he, madam, wait. The one he.
Let's go forward. Let's just leave that.
No.
So they shouldn't answer. You don't want to correct what the lies she started with.
Allow her to express herself. Please.
If he wants to be truthful,
okay.
If this is going to be a good therapy session,
okay.
Assumed therapy session, he should be truthful at least. Now, the last 2 questions you asked him, he lied. He needs to correct them.
Ma'am, I think you would do better if you can tell us your own truth.
Better.
Tell us your own truth.
God
what do you think? What is he lying
about?
about?
You are a professional.
Sir, please allow her to.
Sorry.
What do you think he's lying about? What exactly is he not saying?
He knows what he's not saying. And he needs to say what he has not said.
Okay.
Please, ma'am.
Just the way he said with him by himself now that he lied. He was the one that initially he said I was the one that first marriage, everything came from me.
Okay.
And now he had gone on to
apologizing.
He had gone on to correct the lie. He should also correct the previous lie he lied before this lie he just corrected. That is my problem.
You know, that's why
Let's
we have
just start
series of sessions. As these sessions keep coming up, we are telling our truth.
We cannot have another session when the previous session was on lies. Let us correct that one. That is why I'm saying, are we starting afresh? Let us know. But if this is another one, the previous one, they were lies. He should correct the lies. Or are you also a liar? Are you comfortable with lies?
Listen.
If you're comfortable with lies, both of you should go to the room and lodge. I will not partake in lies.
Mrs. Ijoma, hear me out. I won't even know he's lying if you don't tell me something.
So now that I've told you he's lying, what else are you waiting?
Okay,
What else
that
do
is
you
what
need?
I said. let's hear the aspect where he has lied. Let's say something.
As in,
Look, we are trying to make this therapy session as easy as it can be for everybody. You said Mr. Chijoke did not say what he's supposed to say. And that's why each question is meant for both him and yourself. When you speak your truth, he will speak his truth. This is how it's done. So if you feel there are some things he did not say correctly, please, Mrs. Ijoma, that's why I asked you, whose idea was it to get married?
Did he not answer you?
But you were saying he lied.
It's better we just move on. Let's leave this question. Ask another question. I know my wife. Please, if you want to sleep here today, you can sleep here today. Ask the next question.
Okay.
Leave her. I know her. I've apologized to her, but I know she wants to drag us to her past life. Leave her.
Okay, so Mr. Chijoke, can you describe your wife with few words?
Can I describe her?
Yes, with few words.
Like who she is to me or general?
To you.
Ijoma Aisha is she's my queen. She's my queen. She is the love of my life. She's the mother of my child and my unborn children. Okay? Ijoma is very passionate about her life and her child and about me.
Okay.
She's very talented. She's a wholesome mother. When I mean wholesome, 100%. I don't lack anything in this house. Ijoma is the reason why I am here today. She's my star girl. Everything that I am in this world, Ijoma contributed 50% to it.
Okay.
50%.
Okay, ma'am, please let him.
70%. 70%. Because I was alive before you came into my life.
Okay.
You don't 70% to it. Ijoma is everything a man should ask for. She's a perfect wife. Okay? Ijoma is a sweet lady. I don't joke with her. I love her, and then I love her too much.
Okay, sir, please, we don't need that right now. Okay, from what you said, she's a queen, a lover, a mother. She's compassionate, talented.
Yes.
She's your backbone.
Yes, my
and
support,
close
my
to
pillar.
perfection.
Yes.
Okay, Mrs. Ijoma, describe Mr. Chijoke with few words. I'm waiting.
Is it really necessary?
Yes, please. Pardon?
Oh,
Excuse me.
Dimpabini.
I don't get.
Baby,
Chijoke is, you know, Chijoke is, he's a man that when you think of him, when you look at him, the only thing you can do is to shake your head. Because, Oboro mad.
What? Can you please say that in English, if you can, please?
Sir, please.
Sir, please.
Please
allow her. She's trying No, you don't. This is therapy. You don't expect her to say the same things you have said.
No.
Allow her to speak her mind, please. Ma'am, please go ahead.
He's the dumbest man I've been with. He's the most inconsistent person I've known in my life. He's the most laziest person I've known. Chijoke does not
do you need to be writing this thing she's saying down?
No,
you don't need to be writing
don't
them
worry.
down
Yeah,
so that it
these things
doesn't
are
look like
confidential.
a history of me.
No, these are confidential.
Are you writing it as if it's my biography, or you're writing it as if
When you were talking, I
Sir,
didn't
please, these are confidential. We use it to follow up.
No, well,
Okay,
no.
please don't get offended. Ma'am, please continue.
Actually, who called him Nobi because I'm still trying to be modest.
Nke ikwu go since or ka ọ dị gị n'ọkpa ka ikwu.
Sir, please, can we?
Or ka ọ dị gị n'afọ ka ọ dị gị n'ike ka ikwu. Ịchọ ikwu dị gị n'obi. Nke ikwu n'obi ọ n'ike ka ọ dị gị.
I think she's being.
I'm highly disappointed in you.
Sir, please.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Please calm down, okay? Mrs. Ijomo, please.
I've been perpetually soaked in disappointment that I no longer know what I feel about him.
Okay.
The only reason why I am here with him is because he's my investment, because I've invested so much in him. I've made him.
Okay.
So
An investment.
I have made him. At least let me gain. Because it's more like when you start up a business, you can't just abandon that business and leave. I'm not a fool. I'm not abandoning. At least they can put in my capital. And then, yes, after getting my capital, I will not know what I will do. Whether I will continue the business or I will sell off the business.
Okay, so for you, what you're saying is for you, would you say that this marriage is all for gain, transaction, finance?
What are you saying?
I beg your pardon, ma'am.
Are you not?
Why are you insulting?
What is she? What one is?
Why are you extending
I just
the
use
cordial
that.
insult?
I just use that
only
as an
me. Why are you
instance.
insulting her too?
I just use that
You
as
don't
an
have to
instance.
extend that
I'm
to
sorry
her.
if you feel
Yeah.
offended.
I'm not offended. I'm trying to make a statement. I just tried to use that analogy
to
make you understand what I feel for him, what we are doing. And did I say it's a business? Did I say this is transactional?
No, ma'am.
If it's transactional, I will not be benefiting financially, but am I benefiting financially? So why are you now trying to be unfortunate?
Madam, you see, whatever we do here, we're not trying to be against anybody. We're trying to find a soft landing for everybody, a solution to move forward, okay? Mr. Chijoke.
Yes, ma'am.
So you heard what she has said. How do you feel right now? What's your mood right now? Okay, can you explain, sir?
There is nothing that eyes will see that instead of crying water, it will cry blood.
Okay.
I've heard worst from her. My wife has made people, they don't respect me on social media again. If I make posts, people come to my post to write Deep Abini.
People know.
This is what, this is names my wife gave me, okay?
I don't give you, they are what you are.
I feel bad. I feel sad. I feel downcasted. That after I say what my wife meant to me,
oh yeah,
even though that some of the things I said were not all true,
okay, so okay,
I have to say it because marriage.
So you would
is
rather that
about,
I say things that are not true, just like him.
Allow me.
No.
Allow
You
me.
rather that I say things that are not true. At least
Allow
I say
me.
things that are real.
Allow me.
Why
because
already not shouting? Allow me. It's like I should shake. You so I would.
Mrs.
Marriage
You say he
is
lies.
about-
Allow him finish.
I cannot lie.
That's
I cannot
okay.
say so because if I was a mere woman, an ordinary woman, when he was blabbing, I'll be drooling. Man, I know he's lying. So all those things did not even get to me because you cannot. When you say you love somebody, when you say that so a woman is your backbone, is your support system, your actions will show. But you cannot be saying rubbish and then your action is saying otherwise. So I already
let me
know his
answer your
actions.
question, please.
Okay,
Let me answer your
please.
question.
Thank you.
I already know his actions because his actions precedes all the nonsense he says. But me, I don't hide myself. Right from time I told you I don't like you.
That's okay.
You are not professional. You are a quack. And then whatever I do to you make you so I cannot be. He also feels the same about you. When you live here, he says the same thing. But in your presence, he tries to pet you or make you.
I
So
never
both of
say
us,
anything
who
about
is
him,
now the
about
realest
her.
person here?
Mrs.
Don't say
Ijoma,
what I
it's
not say
okay
about her.
to speak your mind. And Mr. Chichoge, may I remind you that here in therapy, we try as much as possible to be honest with each other, because we can't continue
At least
to lie.
be honest with yourself.
Man, please, let me lie.
Forget each other. Be honest. That's what you're not.
Be
You also need to be you. He also needs to be honest with himself. Because when you're not honest with yourself, you cannot be honest with somebody else.
Okay, Mr. Chichoge, you just said that some of the things you said were lies.
Not actually lies. Let me say that I was being diplomatic.
We shouldn't be diplomatic.
Marriage, you have to at least try to. It's not everything you will say so that peace will reign. But for her to now, now my person you get it, just like somebody will say when I talk to me on a play. From play, and that's serious now.
So is this play?
So
is this? Are we playing here? Is this?
So can you say how you feel now about her? Can you describe exactly without sentiments, without being trying to hold?
I feel stupid. I feel foolish. That I'm trying to speak well of her, and she's speaking ill of me. So I feel very bad. I feel I married another woman. You know, I feel I should get a second wife.
Okay, we've not gotten to that point.
You ask me how I feel, okay?
Okay.
Because if my peace is not attached to my first wife, at least I have enough rooms here. So if I keep my wife in one room, second wife will be in that room, so that anybody that give me peace, I'll go to their room and sleep that night.
Okay, so Mr.
You have not even.
Okay, ma'am, please.
You have not, madam.
Please.
You have not. Wait, Chidoke, you have not. You're not even man enough to be with one woman. It is bringing another woman.
Okay.
Chidoke, you've not even taken enough responsibility as a man that you are.
Already, and I know she
And then, candidate.
Mr. Chijoke, are you saying you are having an affair? Ma'am, please.
Ask him that.
Are you suggesting you're having an affair?
I would
Chidoke, answer the question she asked you.
therapist, I would
Chidoke, answer the question she asked you.
Ma'am, please. Can you
When I said that he brought you, both of you people have had something. When I told you that this if forever a chronic womanizer, do you think I don't know what I'm saying?
therapist, I will
But the good news there is whether you or whether your sister, whether your daughter, whether anybody that they are, nobody. They never did, nobody, no woman. You cannot, nobody, he cannot even stand me. So if you know they make, then they zuzu. The day I will see them with my own eyes, manyawa, mali idiot. They will know that. Hey,
Ma, please let me answer your question.
okay, Mark,
But first of all, I will employ you to respect yourself so that you don't insinuate what is not available here.
Sorry, sir.
Anything he's doing, he should be doing it.
I feel offended.
When I will see them, so they should be doing.
I feel
Do I look like somebody that I go work finish, monkey? I go work finish. He will not bring one riffraff inside. I say why he has many rooms. Who paid for this house? This chair you're sitting on, who paid for it?
Can we please?
Does this house look? Oh wait, Matilda, I've suffered.
It's okay. I understand very well.
I don't have any affair anywhere. So please, I would appreciate if you don't use that again.
Sorry, please, sir. We are not trying to get to.
If you don't bring that up again, please.
Sorry. Okay.
You have many rooms. You bring this one, you bring that one.
So tell me, Mrs. Ijoma, what are your biggest arguments? What do you really argue about?
You have many rooms. You bring this one, you bring that one. So you try, go there.
Mr. Ijoma, can we please move
Don't
on?
cut me short. Let me bring out everything.
She is the one doing the questioning. You are here to do the answering. She asks you something, answer her. If you don't have answer, you say you don't have answer.
Okay, so what are your biggest arguments? What do you guys normally argue about? Mrs. Ijoma, I'm talking to you, please. Mr. Chijoke,
Ma?
what are your biggest arguments? What is it that triggers?
Okay. Our biggest argument sometimes is about our business.
Okay.
And maybe if we have a business, how the business should go.
Okay.
She doesn't allow
How
me.
is it supposed you call you
Mrs. Joma, please.
They ask you,
you
no
said that.
answer.
I have every right to speak when I want to speak. And now I want to speak.
Okay.
You, I'm asking you a question
you.
now. Had it been you are married?
She's married.
Had
It
it been
doesn't matter, Mr.
you are
Joma.
married?
Allow her, please. Okay.
And then your husband, you happen to be in a business with your husband. Both of you started you are the one bringing the goods. You are the one heading the business. You and your husband. So let me ask you, how would you how would you people share it?
Ma'am, you know every marriage has...
Madam, answer me. Forget marriage. I didn't say marriage. I said business. Business. If you ask what we inquire about every time, he said business. I don't say marriage. I said the business. The business. How will you people in the business? I don't say the marriage. In the business, how would you people share that income?
You should understand, Mrs. Joma, that what works for A can definitely not work for
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
So you should please.
Thank you, man.
You know
You are a
what works.
disgrace to womanhood.
I beg to differ, ma'am.
You are a disgrace to womanhood. I'm ashamed. On your mother's behalf, I'm ashamed of you.
Why are you
Mr.
involving
Chideke,
her
please
mother?
put Your
Why
wife
you-
in her.
But what am I calling?
Stop calling. Stop mentioning her.
Yeah,
mother.
who
It's
are you
okay.
trying
It's
to
okay.
patronize?
It's
You want to
okay.
buy the Mabini's favor?
I'm not buying anybody's favor. We are trying
It's
to
okay,
get
it's okay, it's okay. After all, I know that you are not a professional, you're not even qualified. Oh yeah, is it by wearing washed ankara and white eyeglass?
Ma'am, please, you have to...
You
put
can't-
yourself
I mean-
in order.
You've not even seen clearly. It is taking you to wear eyeglass. Mama, where did you even get it from? It is taking you to wear eyeglass
Mr.
before you
Chideke,
see.
please.
She has not
Please,
even
your
seen
wife.
clearly, and then you want to come and... Hi!
Okay, please, ma'am.
You don't
I'm
have
sorry
to
if-
shame somebody.
if-
And when I problem, how is it your business?
Mrs.
What-
Joma,
what-
it's okay. It's okay. What we are doing here is we are allowing everybody to express how they feel, and it's okay.
You're telling me each one has the one.
We have just 2 minutes before this session is over, and I would like to ask you, Mrs. Joma, how...
You've not been
your life-
asking him, you've not been asking him, Mrs. Choma, catching gum. You've not asked him anything.
Okay, don't worry, we'll get there.
Because ask me, I will not have a problem. I will not have a problem. Baby,
Mr.
calm down
Chijoke,
now.
we'll come back to Mrs. Ijoma when she's calm. How has life been since Woto Chukwu came into you people's life?
Are you okay?
So what?
Martina, are you okay? Did I not tell you not to involve my child in this your madness? Did I not tell you okay? Or
These
what am
questions
I
are necessary. These questions...
Did I not tell you to involve my child
Mr.
in what you're
Chijoke, please
doing?
put your wife...
Did I not tell her not to involve my child in what she's
Mrs.
doing?
Ijoma,
You don't
please,
have
we are
to
trying...
mention-
Get her work. Why are you bringing my child in?
It's
What
okay.
are you
I'm sorry if you feel...
Anything you are doing, let it be between both of us. Don't score my child.
It's okay.
Because he Maka, how would you go why you know that it is not necessary to involve a child in any drama.
No, I'm coming. Mrs. Ijoma, please, listen.
Let me phone now. Let me phone now.